Hey guys, every time I die in Roblox Rivals, we will have to be making a funny noise. So first off, we're going to be going to training, and yeah, we're just going to go do that. So my main weapons are going to be either assault rifle, sniper, revolver, hexagon, katana, and medkit. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Yeah, we're going to start a game in a few seconds, just going to hit some targets or whatever. Yeah, so we're about to go do that, and yeah. So we're loading into our first game, and yeah, it's gonna be cool. So we're waiting for players. So I think this just means that there's not gonna be any players. So yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, dual cancel. So yeah, just wait a second. Okay, so we are loading back into an actual game, and I don't think we have to wait for players, so I think this is going to be our first game that actually works. Best maps are either Crossroads, Arena, or Splash, and I'm going to pick Crossroads. Alright, we got Crossroads, and that's pretty good. So, Crossroads is my best map, actually, so we're going to pick Sniper, Revolver, Katana, and the Medkit. So, we're going to go first person, and let's go. There's not going to be any audio of this recording, sadly, but we're just going to go play. See, this kid's trying to snipe me, and I got him for 70, so I katana him for another 70, and then I revolver him. Alright, easy, easy. Alright. So this is what we're going to want to keep up. This is going to be our first, our first video that is going to be, more like challenges and stuff. So, yeah. I see this kid just going over there, and I'm trying to snipe him. Where is he going? Oh. Dude, how did I miss that? Oh, my God. I can't even get him. Bruh. What is this kid doing? I can't shoot him. Alright, so I'm going to try to katana him. It didn't work. Okay, snipe. Oh, brother. What the? Ah! So that was our first funny noise. Alright. Let's keep doing this. Let's try to win this game. Kitty. Baba booey. So just don't. Yeah. Okay, we're just gonna go up here and then we're gonna see if we can get him. So where's this kid? I'm gonna use the katana. Oh, I got him for 70. Okay. I'm gonna try and get him here. Oh, he got me for 72. I gotta use my medkit. Use my medkit. What? How did he shoot me through there, bro? Okay, he can't shoot me through this. Okay. Snipe him. Snipe. Come on, snipe him. Brother. Okay, so we're gonna just calm down and see if we can win this. I'm gonna lock in. Alright. Come on, okay. Katana, 70. Okay, I got him. Okay, I use my med kit. This is actually the best spot for using the med kit in Crossroads. Because you can, like, if someone jumps down on you, you just have to, move. But, no one can see you there, so it's perfect. Dude, how did you just get me for 70 again, bro? Take out my katana, and I'm gonna katana him. Whoa, 150! Easy, bro. This is gonna be my savior. But if I lose, I'm gonna be mad. We're just starting our next round, and, oh. I am going to lock in. I can't lose this. Let's try to get 10 likes on this video. If we can, oh my God. Dude, you have to like this video and subscribe for that. I've never gotten, likes on my videos. So, please like this video. So, that'd be great. I'm trying to get to maybe 10 subscribers. I'm at 8 right now. I just made a video, or short, on saying that, thank you for 8 subscribers. So we just lost that game, so I'm gonna make one last noise for that. To load into another game. Bruh, waiting for players, but I got it. I gotta wait for the next game. Oh, wait. Are we... Oh, okay. We're gonna load in. We're gonna load in. I want to do Splash. Splash. So, he picked Docks. Oh, we're playing Docks. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so we're gonna pick Sniper, Exogun, Katana, yeah, and Medkit. Oh, guys, we like 85 kills on Sniper. So yeah, we're gonna try to get this kid. So if we're gonna just Splash, I would have done Molotov instead of Medkit, because you know, like if you put it in the middle, it works like that. Okay, so that kid is over there. Bruh, how did that not hit? That hit him like on the body. And then it didn't do it there either. Okay, that's my fault. Okay, it didn't hit. How did it not hit there? Okay, I gotta do my med kit. My med kit. Okay, I gotta lock in. Okay, so we're locking in. Bro, it made me have to reload. Okay, I'm trying to no scope this kid. I just tried to katana him. Bro, the Molotov, bro. This kid is terrible. This kid is trash. But I don't like this kid. I hit him for 10 damage on the Exogun. Bruh, the stupid crossbow. I'm all good. Didn't have a stroke. But, yeah, that was depressing. Oh my god. How did I just get stuck on the box? Dude, I need to lock in. But the stupid level 54 player. I can't even hit him, bro. I can't even shoot him. Dude, this is not fair. Dude, how am I supposed to hit him? Okay, I got him for 70. I'm trying to... Okay, let me know. Well, you can't let me know. I don't have comments on. But, like, does the crossbow even counter the, Or no, does the katana even counter the crossbow? Because it doesn't seem like it would. Well, I know that the Exogun does not get countered by the katana because it just shoots through it. Also, the Exogun does not get countered by the riot shield. Also, did you know that the spray can shoot through the riot shield? I know, that's crazy. Like, I didn't even know that. So, we're gonna just try and see if we can find this kid with my Exogun. But, like, I'm kind of low, and I might be almost dead. So, I'm trying to hit him with this stupid Exogun, and we're gonna run out of time. I think this... Bruh, how did he kill me? It was 0 seconds left. Brother. So, like... I don't even know what wait, did you just see that? I had 239 ping. Now it's 195, bro. That I'm so laggy, bro. I'm so laggy. Bro, okay. Dude, no scoped 70. Okay, katana. Dude, he just shot me with his whatever, what's it called? The shorty. And bro, it didn't even get countered by the katana. Okay, I just med kitted. This kid got me so low. I'm gonna try and get him with the exit. Bruh. Okay, I'm in a barrel. I just killed... Wait. I killed myself, but, like, it also said he killed me. That doesn't really make sense. So, we're gonna lock in. Hopefully we don't get 5-0'd by this noob. Dude, I'm level 113. Double his level, bro. Double. Like, literally double. So, oh my god, the Molotov is so annoying. This kid, I'm so laggy. Let me use my med kit. Oh my god, I'm so laggy. Oh my god. Oh, bro, why? Bro, I can't keep doing this. I need to get this guy. Please do not 5-0 me. Please. Okay. Please do not 5-0 me. Please do not 5-0 me. Bro. Last sound. Bye, guys.